they gotta preheat.
Good morning. Good morning.
So I've actually been using this apple cider vinegar for a while now, but I haven't been consistent with it. Because of that, I cannot say whether or not it has helped me lose belly fat or if it even helped me lose weight at all. For now, my plan is to stay consistent for at least 1 month. I'm going to take before and after pictures to try to get an idea as to if it has helped me. You may find that there are different brands. I actually sent my husband to the store to get me a bottle, but instead he got me the actual drink, which contains 13 grams of sugar and 14 grams of carbs. Not happening. What I will be using instead is Bragg Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar. 0 carbs, 0 sodium, 0 fat. There are a lot of different recipes that you can find, but I'm keeping it simple. I am using a double shot glass, and I'm going to fill that halfway up with the apple cider vinegar. I will also be using some freshly squeezed lemon and 1 cup of water. So I will make this drink every morning with my breakfast. I'll have it once a day. Like I mentioned before, I am going to take before and after pictures. I am also going to get on the scale and document my weight. And while I'm at it, I might as well have my husband take my measurements. I definitely will keep you guys up to date. If I make any changes to this drink, I will let you know. Have you made these apple cider vinegar drinks before? Comment down below letting me know. I'm going to let the rest of this video play out. If you like this video, do me a favor, comment down below, push that like button, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.